If you're looking for a robust and versatile mounting solution for your Starlink dish, this kit promises durability, flexibility, and easy installation. Let's dive in. This Starlink mount kit comes with a 33.5-inch mounting pole and a Gen 3 pipe adapter. What makes this kit stand out is its enhanced design tailored for the Gen 3 and V3 Starlink dishes. The adapter allows for a full 360-degree rotation and a 20-degree tilt, which ensures you can perfectly align your dish for optimal signal reception, regardless of your mounting location. Durability is a key feature here. The pole is made from a 1.5 mm thick steel, roughly equivalent to 16 gauge. While the mounting bracket itself is even stronger at 2 mm, about 14 gauge. This heavy-duty construction ensures the mount can withstand harsh weather conditions while securely supporting even the heaviest antennas, giving you confidence in long-term performance. One clever design element is the reversible mounting pole. With an outer diameter of 1.25 inches and an arm length of 35 inches, both ends of the J-pole mount are usable. This allows you to adjust the wall standoff distance according to your installation requirements. Whether you're mounting on a flat wall, under eaves, or on a sloping roof, the mount adapts easily. The pole itself can rotate 180 degrees, helping you find the ideal reception angle for the strongest signal. The kit also features a unique locking pin and bracket design with 2 fixing points. This ensures a strong and stable attachment, even in high winds, adding extra security for your dish. Installation is straightforward. This Starlink mount kit includes everything you need: the Gen 3 pipe adapter, a mast clamp, the 33.5-inch mounting pole, 4 stainless steel hex head self-tapping screws, a screw sleeve wrench, and an instruction manual. The instructions include a full-size drilling template, making pre-marking your mounting holes easier. The product dimensions are 33.5 inches by 1.25 inches by 1.25 inches, and it weighs just under 5 pounds, making it manageable while still being solid and heavy-duty. Its black finish provides a clean, professional look that blends well with most exterior surfaces. Overall, this Starlink mount kit is a versatile, sturdy, and user-friendly option for anyone looking to install a Starlink Gen 3 or V3 dish. With its adjustable angles, heavy-duty materials, and thoughtful design, it addresses the key needs of durability, flexibility, and ease of installation. If you're looking to enhance your Starlink setup with a mount that offers security and adaptability, this Starlink mount kit is definitely worth considering. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product insights.